ng second quarter explosion ng kupunan ng Gordons. Anthony?
Okay, maraming salamat, Chino. Ang pinag-usapan lang sa locker room, 56-37 ang na-outscore ang Alaska sa Gordon's Gym. And in fact, in the 6-game winning streak ng Gordon's Gym, tinignan ni Tim Cone, sabi niya, an average of 11.8 points, they outscored their opponents. Kaya sabi ni Tim Cone, we have to be very sharp, especially in the second quarter. Balik tayo sa'yo.
Pinag-iingatan, Dr. J, gaya ng sinabi ko, yung iniingatan ng kupunan ng Alaska. Yung explosion ng Gordons na yan.
Yeah, but of course, that's anchored on a different situation. Usually, King takes over in the first quarter, and then he paces himself and allows the local players to come in and help him out. Or, he also continues to play hard. So, ganun yun eh. Importante. Talagang, alam mo, even Cohen has said this, I read it in the papers, ayaw niyang labanan itong Gordons na wala si King. Because he feels it's a nice challenge to try to beat Gordons when they are complete. I mean, you know, if King or Aquino is hurt, ang laki ng diferensya ng team para sa Gordons. Anybody else hurt in that team, kaya nila maglaro eh. You know, but those two guys are, I think, the key players on their team right now.
Hinahanap nila yung kumpleto para mas masarap ang pagkakapanalo. Chris King has yet to see action. As reported earlier, the Butch Maniego, kahapon pa kami nagpapantay kay Chris King sa kanyang katayuan. Well, they decided to let him rest dito sa ball game ito, at least up to this point. This is the second quarter. Ito po ang game number 3, ang Gordons. Masasabi natin, Dr. J, it's a commanding 2-0 lead, ano?
Yeah, it is a lead right now, but you're already playing the third game. So if you lose, all of a sudden, it's 2-1. Nawala na.
Win nyo, hindi may shake off si...
second violation.
Eto si Hawkins, babato na naman. And his problems continue, Dr. J. Shooting 2 out of 9 from the field in this ball game, si Bong Hawkins.
Yeah, the teams are shooting poorly. 3-point shot by Hison, wala. And good boxing out tactics against Wilmer Ong there. But somebody's hurt, and that happens to be Poch Wino. Picks himself up, however.
Tatawagan ng handshake si Benny Cheng against Bong Hawkins. Ang dalawang produkto ng NCAA, of course, one coming from Mapua, si Benny Cheng, the other coming from Perpetual Health.
Yeah. 2 team fouls now contra sa Gordons. They're down by 8. We are in the second quarter. If you'll surprise with the score, medyo talagang mababa dito. Dalang percentages for both teams were below 30% dyan sa first quarter.
Si Pido Harenzo, who had an explosion doon sa ating second game, sa game 2, sa second and third quarter. Ipinasok sa ball game para kay Baldabid, and 2 quick fouls on Benny Cheng. So, delikado si Dr. J, yung Dr. J ang tayo ni Sonny Jaworski. He has to pull out yung kanyang relief guard niya, forward rather. Pero foul din ang natamo ni Benny Cheng, dalawa na rin yan.
Correct.
White Lago shaking off
nice shot.
Vince Season. Ang pinit na yun, Dr. J.
And he has the height advantage over Vince Season, so he can shoot over his head. Biggest lead of the ball game again for Alaska, 10 points right now.
They go to Marlu. Marlu, hindi niya makukuha, but Wilmer Ong is there at foul ang itatawag. Number 18, and this will be on Wilmer Ong.
Wala na rin nakuha ang tawag ang Gordons dito at this stage of the ball game. Agrabyado na sila, and they have 4 quick fouls, 14 fouls with only 2.5 minutes gone by.
Dr. J, ang hirap itong bubunuhin ito. Napakadaming fouls na ang nakikita sa panig ng Gordons. And Sonny Jaworski talking to the referees. They're playing again with match handicap. Wala ang kanilang import. Short ang tira, pasa kay Holland. Ang tira ni Holland. Namamalahibo sa kay Marlo Aquino, Dr.
He's
J.
been missing those kind of shots, you know, in the series. Layups na yan. Ang gandang pasa ni Hawkins. That should have been an assist. He should have dunked that thing.
Kasama ng laro ni Kevin Holland, Dr. J. Tumawid yata sa isipan ng mga nagmamayari ng Alaska na itsugi na rin itong import na to, pero hindi nila ginawa. Alam nilang alanganin ng kalagayan nila.
At the stage, medyo mahirap na yan siguro, pero alam ko may makukuha kang ex-NBA player na nasa kondisyon, no? At the same time, baka wala sa kondisyon, wala rin.
So they're sticking it out with Kevin Holland. Bukas si Lago had one earlier.
Yes.
4 straight points para kay Dwight Lago, and it's a 10-point lead, back to a 10-point lead.
Ang mali ni Hison doon, dumo-double team siya kay Holland against Aquino. Holland has not proven that you should double team him when he goes up against Marlo Aquino. You must guard those guys that can shoot from the outside, those medium range jump shots.
Tulad na nga ni Lago na merong 4 na straight na puntos. Marlo Aquino has 8 points in the ball game. Tatawagan naman ng offensive foul against Kevin Holland.
That's his second personal foul. Let's take a look at this play. Does he establish position? He's moving his feet. No, that's the problem. More or less he has established. Pero ang problema niya, he was also trying to move his feet to get around where Marlo was moving to. Hindi naman nakita niya yung paa na yun. No? Pero sa slow-mo, nakikita natin.
So second personal foul on Marlo Aquino. Napaka-valuable na asset ni Coach Sonny Jaworski, averaging close to 20 points per ball game. He has 8 in this ball game, but he has 2 fouls. Yan po si Marlo Aquino. They go to Holland. Holland having his own problems against Marlo Aquino. Titira! Swatted away ang kanyang tira.
Why will do the ball training? He has not proven that he can take Marlo Aquino one-on-one. You know?
JB Gayoso into the ball game. Andun si Marlo, may double team. Pito Harencio. Will he explode?
That's a 2-point shot. He was stepping on the line, but a nice come off the bench. You know, magandang tira ni Pido Harencio.
They go to Hawkins. Ito, masama itinitira dito. A steal completed by Gordons. Itong kupunan ng Gordons playing without an import, pero nagpapakita ng puso. Harencio will shoot, but he will miss. Walang foul na itinawag.
Yeah, he was hit by Fernandez in that play.
Sinuyod ang kanyang likod ni Fernandez, but Fernandez got away with it. Ito Alaska working yung kanilang ikutan ng bola. Hawkins sinakyan na ni Harencio, but sa lakas ng katawan ni Hawkins na ipasok pa rin niya yung kanyang tira.
That's a good assist pass there. And alam mo, nakikita nila yung movement. This is a nice pass by Pochuino. Hawkins has a chance to complete the 3-point play.
Ginawa na lahat ni Pido Harencio upang pigilin si Bong Hawkins, but Hawkins just converted sa kanyang 3-point play opportunity. So far si Hawkins 6 na puntos sa labang ito, shooting 46% dito sa serye, Dr. J.
It will now be a penalty situation for Gordons. They have 5 team fouls already with 7 minutes to go, and wala pa rin team foul ang Alaska dahil hindi yata marunong fumaul ang Alaska.
Nakikita mo, Dr. J, doon sa sigaw ng mga tao, may sinisigaw sila. Normally, naririnig natin yon. Kapag yung mga liga na intercolor, pag ayaw nila sa tawag o naargabyado yung isang panig, sinisigaw nila yung luto-luto. Pero hindi po yan ang kaso dito. Umigot si Pido Harencio at Fernandez, and Pido Harencio nagkiskisan doon at nagtakbuhan agad yung mga manlalaro ng Gordons at Alaska upang tulungan ang kanilang parehong nakadapang mga kasama. And we expect these things to happen in the championship series, Dr. J. Ito, panoorin po natin.
Dito, bumagsak si Fernandez, pero tangay-tangay rin niya yung paa ni Pido Harencio, so he also lost his balance. Pero at the same time, I think Harencio held on to his head, and Fernandez did not like that also, no? So yun ang nangyari para sa kanila. 11-point lead here for Alaska. That's the first team foul called against Alaska in this quarter.
Alam mo naman, parehong para mga Texas kung magsigilos itong mga ito. Marlo Aquino binangga. He fails to convert, but he will go to the free throw line for 2 shots.
Rocone is giving his import Holland a rest. Kaya nga pinasok niya si Kevin Rama sa laro. And quickly, that's 2 team fouls now called against Alaska, no?
Si Marlo Aquino ngayon ay nasa free throw line. Habang tinitignan natin si Kevin Holland, ang kanyang imposing figure. Not too imposing in this ball game. Si Marlo Aquino, ang kanyang free throw shooting 41% dito sa series ito, and he continues to struggle from the line, Dr. J.
Alam mo, unang-una, he plays so hard